is me, Vanglorious. Welcome back to another video. So you saw the title. We're gonna be doing a lip. So I got this lip not too long ago. It was either earlier this week or last week, but essentially this is an NS style lip. So it's not by any of the reputable companies. And I'm gonna explain to you why I went this route rather than say getting like a Sabon one or even a carbon fiber one at that. So why am I going with a lip at this price point? So for me, I think lips are pretty liquid, and liquid in the sense that they're consumables. So at some point you are going to be replacing it if something bad happens to it. So I don't want something that's going to ruin my week because, oh, I just hit something in the middle of the road or something, you know, came up and hit the car. It just added stress, and I don't want to change how I drive because, quite frankly, the car is lower, but it ain't that low. So that's to put things into perspective. So for me, this made the most sense. It was just a matter of finding a style of lip that suited my needs and had the price point. So this one scratched the itch. There's a couple other different style lips that you could get, but this one is the NS style. So I was really drawn to it because it's a very subtle design. It doesn't stick out too far and it doesn't creep down too low. So if you guys are into that kind of look, then definitely go in the description and pick one up for your car, because you've seen in the beginning of the video, in the intro, it looks pretty good. So let's get this installed and then we'll do a little bit more talking because I have something else to show you guys. You'll get a total of 3 pieces. This is just one piece. And I wanted to illustrate to you, like, at least it came painted. This actually doesn't look bad. And this is the middle piece here. And honestly, the bags that each of these come in are pretty nice. The package got messed up in transit, so I don't know what happened there, but at least the bags that these come in, that these pieces stay stored in, are pretty nice. So big ups to that. And this is the third piece. So I'll lay it all out on the table so you can see what it looks like all together, and then I'm going to explain how we're going to put this onto this. All right, so this is it. Now I do have some stuff. I can't forget my double-sided tape. I love this. I swear by this stuff. So you do get hardware, and it was just these 2 things that came in the bag. This box color is mine, but this is what you get in the box. So your hardware, what's gonna happen is on the actual item here, so you have this. So your screws will screw in through a provision right there. So that's how that works. So some of these are going to be to attach the lip, and some of these are going to be for it to be affixed to the car. So that's really it. I like to use double-sided tape because this has never let me down. So I have a few of that. I'm just going to basically take the parameter, most likely around this area, in the edges. So whatever edges that make contact, I will put double-sided tape on there, and I won't have to worry about it coming off because it just works. So that's my game plan. Hey, before we get started, so you will need a drill, and specifically a 5mm bit, so you can drill into these holes that you'll see here. So do not fear, they already let you know where the holes are at. You just need to have the drill. So let's get started. And pro tip, you can use a 3/16 drill bit. It's 5mm. So if you're looking around for one, or you're too lazy to do the math, there you go, 3/16 drill bit. Alright, all together. So now we just have to drill through our pre-drilled holes, and then we can get to adding some of the double-sided tape, and then we'll get towards putting it on. Double-sided tape is on where it needs to be. All right, we are back. So I gotta head home. It looks good. I'm like really happy with it. It actually looks exactly what I wanted it to look like. And the side profile is probably like my favorite shot of it. So happy that I put the lip on. Let's get inside to the office and I'll share some other news with you. But it's a pretty easy process. Yes, and they arrived. My downpipes. So these are the Booster 6 AutoWorks downpipes. These are capless, they're the lowers, and they are resonated. So I have one piece to the puzzle, the tune is the other piece. So I'll update you guys once I'm all good to go with that. And in that update will be the video of me tuning the car. So this is the last of the preparation before it actually happens.